Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Staring at a tax bill you can't afford to pay is a stressful situation, but don't panic, because you have options. The IRS is actually a collections agency, and like any collections agency, they want to get paid, which means they are willing to work with you. The best way to do this is by setting up a payment plan, officially known as an installment agreement. The fastest and easiest way for most people to set one up is online through the IRS website. To qualify for a streamlined online agreement, you generally need to owe a combined total of under $100,000 in tax, penalties, and interest, and you must have filed all your required tax returns. Before you go to irs.gov, gather the necessary information to make the process smooth. You'll need your Social Security number or individual taxpayer ID number, your date of birth, your filing status, and the exact address from your most recently filed tax return for identity verification. Once you log into the Online Payment Agreement tool, you'll be presented with a couple of options. The first is a short-term payment plan, which gives you up to 180 days to pay in full. The great thing about this option is that there are no setup fees, though interest and penalties will continue to accrue. The second option is a long-term payment plan, or an installment agreement, which allows you to make monthly payments for up to 72 months. There is a setup fee for this, which is cheaper if you apply online and even cheaper if you agree to make your payments via direct debit from your bank account. If you owe more than the online threshold or have a more complex situation, you can apply for a payment plan by filling out Form 9465, Installment Agreement Request, and mailing it in. A few critical things to remember. First, always file your tax return on time, even if you can't pay. The failure to file penalty is much harsher than the failure to pay penalty. Second, a payment plan does not stop interest and penalties from accumulating on your unpaid balance. It just stops more aggressive collection actions like liens or levies. Finally, once your plan is approved, make sure you make every single payment on time. Missing a payment can cause your agreement to default, putting you right back at square one. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to